Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surfers. So today I will show you how to change your mouse cursor color. So firstly you have to go to your settings and from the settings you have to go to ease of access. Click on this and here you can see this display mouse pointer. So click on mouse pointer and here you will get these options, black options. Now you can see that this is showing black and inverted. You can see this is inverted option and here is the custom color option. So if I want to change this lime color, click on this and here your mouse will get lime color. So click on yellow, you will get yellow option. So if I get custom color, click on this, and if you want to red, click done. Now you can see this your mouse cursor is showing red color. So if you want to change your cursor size, click on this. Now you can see this your cursor has been changed and it is bigger more than before. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.